Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on Chai AI, that is chat plus AI to give you Chai. Now let's get started. We have this. Chai is a leading AI platform performing research in conversational generative artificial intelligence. They believe in platforms. Huge demand for AI that is not only factually correct but also entertaining and social. Has over 1.5 million DAU and over $20 million in revenue. So it's to empower ordinary people to build content and AI that they can interact with and share. Because this is an unsolved problem in AI. So they experiment with long context, LoRaWAN, and also RLHF to ensure Chai's AI is stayed in a way that is aligned with the content creator's intent. So it has incentives and scales. Our platform operates best when incentives are done well. So at Child, they've experimented with giving developers money, but so far the largest driver of AI submissions is the opportunity to get high quality feedback, recognition, and satisfaction of building a highly popular LLM. We also have current openings current openings and the payment. You can see on site, full stack, Flutter, mostly they are on site. All the ones available now are on site. So here is the founder, William Buckham, Tom Liu, researcher, Albert Zhang, also an engineer, Christy Carroll, mobile engineer, and the rest of them. So you can join and become part of them. So what are you waiting for? Get involved.